Hey guys, I'm Alina and welcome to my show, Let's Eat with Lean. Do you call me Lean? Do you call me Lena? My government name is Paulina, but we are gonna be making one of my favorite dishes. It's called Pat Kapao. That pretty much means in Thai, Pat is stir fry, Kapao is Thai basil. However, I'm not living at home right now, so I don't have Thai basil. So we're just gonna use regular basil. That's how we're gonna do it today, because we are not at my mom's house. And she has a whole bunch of Thai basil there, but she didn't want to give me any. So for this dish, I'm gonna be using some ground beef. However, you could use whatever types of meat that you want. Chicken thigh, it's really good, really yummy. Ground pork is good too. Chicken breast, pretty much you could use whatever meat you want. Now let's jump into the other ingredients. Onion, I use sweet onion, but you can use whatever you have in your pantry. You keep onions in your pantry? I keep mine on the counter, but I guess whatever onion. Bell peppers, 5 cloves of garlic, 4 Thai chilies. We got some sugar, some dark soy sauce, fish sauce. We have, you could use regular soy sauce. Here I have some mushroom soy sauce. Some bougie like that, just kidding. It's just like regular. And I have some oyster sauce. So now we are at my counter and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna prepare everything. Onions and the bell peppers, I've already chopped it up and diced it up. I have about half an onion here, half a green bell pepper, and half a red bell pepper. First I'm gonna just start mincing up the garlic. Okay, I think that's about good. So I'm using about 4. I think it might be a little too hot, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Okay. So for the sauces, usually I kind of just eyeball it. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Now 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Kind of difficult to get out sometimes. Oh, no, never mind. It's not difficult at all. I'm gonna do about just like a little less than a tablespoon of fish sauce. Half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And I want to just use the dark soy sauce just for the color. It's called cheating. For sure, I'm gonna do about a little less than a tablespoon for that as well, just so it's all incorporated together. I totally forgot about the basil. I'm gonna just pick some out. When my dad makes them, he loves to just put the leaves in whole. I just kind of like to chop it up a bit just so it kind of gets everywhere. The aroma and the taste of the basil gets everywhere, not just like, you know, getting huge pieces of basil every now and then. I'm gonna turn up the heat to like medium high. So it's not like super hot yet, and I think this is the right time. So I think we just put in the oil about 20 seconds ago. And I'm just gonna put in the garlic and chili. I'm just gonna cook this until it starts smelling. Now when you start to smell that chili, it's ready to go. I'm gonna put in my beef. Ew, I touched it. I hate touching raw beef. Oh my god. Once it gets halfway, that's when we're gonna put in the sauce. I think this is like about halfway cooked, or a little over halfway cooked, whatever. So now we're gonna put in our stir fry sauce. So we're gonna add our onions, add the bell peppers, and depending on how you like your veggies, if you want them a little bit more cooked, then you can definitely put them in when you put the sauce in. But for me, I kind of like my veggies just a bit crunchy. I'm just gonna put in a little bit more of that dark soy sauce. I think it needs a little touch of it. and some fish sauce. And make sure the beef is done cooking before you test it. Right there. So now you're going to turn the heat off and you're going to put in your basil leaves. The leaves are going to wilt, so they're going to end up disappearing. I'm actually going to put this to the side for now, and I'm going to make a fried egg. How I know the oil is ready is when the oil is like super runny like this. You see? So you want this. You want this mess right here. Pour it on top. Cook the egg from up top as well. You want it to be crunchy. You want the egg to be crunchy. Ooh, there you go. Egg. Extreme sport. Now how we're gonna serve it, I'm gonna serve it with some rice. Like a good wife, I always have rice in the fridge. This is actually like the first time I have rice in the fridge. We are gonna need to microwave this. Just putting it in the microwave without any moisture is just gonna dry out the rice. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna get a paper towel. Get a good amount, so I'm gonna get about this much. Put some water on it. Depending on how dry your rice is the amount of water you should put in. Mine is pretty dry, so I'm not gonna squeeze all the water out, and I'm gonna cover it just like that. Just like a little blanket. Okay, just like that. And I'm gonna put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. Okay guys, and this is it. This is my pad kapow, and I made a little surprise, a little fried egg in here. And let me get my husband to come and taste this. This is James.
Hey guys, what's up?
This is the Hubs.
How do I do this?
You could do everything, yeah.
Okay, I'm
yeah.
everything.
Do a little bit of
break
everything.
the egg?
Yeah, break the egg. Ooh.
Ooh, look at that. Check that out.
Ooh.
Impressive, I see you.
I don't even like eggs,
That look good.
but that look good.
Cheers.
Cheers. How's it, babe?
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Oh yeah. That's good stuff.
Yay! Okay guys, well that was it. Thank you for watching and learning how to make my pad kapow. I am going to be coming out with more recipes. If you guys are interested, comment down below what you guys would like to see and I'll see what I can whip up. Send me some recipes and we will go through that journey together and we'll see what happens from here. Thank you guys. Bye.